Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to mute a single tab in Chrome, you're in the right place. Let's get in. The first thing you want to do is go up to your search bar and you want to type in Chrome : 2 flags and hit enter. You'll get into this menu, and at the top of the page you'll see a search flags, and over here you want to type in tab audio. From here you can see that there's a tab audio muting UI control, and from the drop down menu you will see default, enable and disable. We want to make sure that we have it enabled, and you will now go down to the bottom of the page on the right hand side and tap on relaunch. Once this has loaded, you can now go ahead and open a new tab, and let's say perhaps we want to open something that has music on it. You can see now I'm in a tab and there's some music playing, and right at the top on that tab you can see there's a little speaker icon. Now if you click on that speaker icon, it actually mutes this specific tab and the other tabs will not get muted. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you in another amazing video. Cheers.